Peace is in the veil, is in the darkness, is in the Trinity. And we're here to talk about deep space, dark energy, and dark matter. First off, before I even smash on my point, subscribe. Now, we're going to talk about dark matter. Before I even get started, 10% of what you see and what you experience here in this physical reality is governed by you being able to perceive the reality. So 10% of that is you experiencing in reality. 90% of what you don't see, the veil of what's behind all this, you don't see 90%. What the fuck is, you don't see 90%. The veil behind the stars, the darkness, what the stars come out of, how those are governed, those laws. That's the dark, that's where the dark matter is. That's the dark energy. They can't see this. They can't see this force, but they know it's there because it's gravitational influence and it's pulling. So that is matter. That's the blackness between the stars. That's melanin. So those laws, we could tune into it because we have the melanin, and we could get the updates. Not only could we get the updates, we could hone in on a dark matter and a dark melanin. You feel me? Deep space is not the planets. It's behind space, the darkness, the veil. Like we're not trying to see the star. We're trying to see past this universe. We're trying to go to the multiverse, the universe behind this universe, the universe that's 90% in control, the universe that we don't see. So is that in a multiverse? Is the deep space a multiverse? Because if 90% is controlled and we're not able to see it, where is that place? Is that in this reality, or do we have different realities? And we're composed of this structure and this substance that's responsible for these laws in that deep space. We have the neuromelanin that's found in space. This is real spill. Y'all got to be able to tune in and really be aware, because we are like the ones who could see past the veil. We can make moves within the veil. You got to come to us to get in the matrix. Like, we open the veil. You feel me? We are the ones that could tap in. So we have to tap in our ways in the veil. The veil, the 90% that we don't see. The laws, the law of manifestation, the law of gravity, all the shit that we don't see, but is responsible for having effect in this universe. The law of inertia, we don't see it, but it's responsible for having effect in this universe. That's the veil. Woo! And it get deeper, because you want to know why it get deeper? As is above, so is below. Macroism, microism. So if we are in our own universe, you feel me? And everything living is its own universe. And if we are this big, are there universes that are even tinier that are living on a piece of grass? Are there universes that are even tinier living in a puddle? Because as you are aware with the laws that control the veil, as is above, so is below, that's the veil. So when you look into the water, that could be its own universe and literally have beings this size living there thinking, oh, we're huge. As is above, so is below. Then they got even lit. Like, you don't know how far this shit go. So there's got to be multiverses, because this shit is complex and it gets real deep. Like, for real. So y'all be wary, be aware, and we're going to dive into deep space. Dun. Man, this was just to rock your mind, family. I just wanted y'all to think about something today. Learn to tap into the dark veil through meditation so we can start making moves with the laws. You feel me? Learn to get your rituals going. Don't let anybody stop you. Subscribe.